In essence, thinking versus feeling is our output scale, how we make decisions. In a rational, dispassionate way based on logic and fact, or a more values-driven, emotional, compassionate way, beginning with the people element. Let's see this in action.
I'm really sorry, I won't be able to make the meeting. There's just been an incident in my department. I really need to go and deal with it.
Both the thinker and the feeler want to help, but the thinker is focused on the logical facts of the matter, while the feeler is focused first on the impact on people.
This is a disaster. You're a bunch of amateurs. I want the presentation redone by Monday, in half the number of slides and fully costed.
For thinkers, conflict is often simply a way to get to a decision or clarity on a topic. For feelers, it can be a wounding process, as they prefer harmony. Thinkers make their decisions on the basis of logic and fact, telling it like it is, and often not factoring in the human element. Feelers often start with the human element, thinking about the impact and how they will leave people feeling.